Can you use ChatGPT and other language models for code generation? Short answer, no. It can do some basic code generation tasks, but it really excels at modification of code. So one of the things I want to show you here is the monitor and the by sequence. These are literally the same if you see here. It's because I modified the monitor to then become a part of the by sequence by using ChatGPT. Because again, this code is already working. So all I have to do is just feed it to ChatGPT to turn it into, so let me show you, turn it into a class object. This is the monitor. And then this is the class object that you're going to see here. That's what it did. It modified it and turned it into a class object. Now, I finished my rug pull one and I did the same thing as well too, where basically I found the API calls here and I needed to find the rug section. And I basically went to ChatGPT, gave it the output, and it was able to kind of change it so that I can get this output here. Because it's basically going through this, and then you see right down here, it says rug is false. That is where it excels at. It excels at modification of already working code. And if it returns something bad, I know where it is so I can fix it. So that is why you still need to know how to code when using these language models, but they can very much help with modification and of course expansion of your code.